Hey everyone, I am back for episode 44 of my lip color of the day series. Today we're going to be doing the Splash liquid lipstick, and this one is in the shade Showy, which is just a really deep purple. Let's try it on. And on shades like this that are really deep, I like to just get my finger to kind of help spread it instead of continuing to apply more with the brush. Okay, so there you have it. This is just a really deep, dark purple. Kind of pretty. I like it. Hope you guys liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.